Hello everyone and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to be showing you a very simple yet delicious breakfast upma recipe. It gets ready very quickly and it has very few ingredients, stuff that we always have in our home. Now I'm going to start by taking about 1 cup of fine semolina. I always like to use fine semolina rather than the thicker version because it cooks faster and then you don't get that granulated, granule feeling in your mouth. So I'm going to start by roasting the semolina till you get this beautiful aroma of the semolina and it also changes to a light golden brown color. Semolina is ready, we're just going to transfer it to a plate to cool down to room temperature. We're going to heat about 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee in the same pan. Once the ghee is nice and hot, on a low to medium flame, we're going to add some mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, some asafotedia and some green chilies and curry leaves. Then we're going to add the onion and we're going to saute till the onion turns translucent. I'm going to add the udid dal. That adds a lovely texture to this upma. Finally, add some turmeric powder or haldi powder to give it that lovely yellow color. Now, if you don't like yellow upma and you prefer the white, then just omit this. Rava or semolina, and we're going to mix it in well with the rest of the bagar that we have, or the rest of the mixture that we have in our pan. time to add some salt to taste as well as a pinch of sugar. The little sugar does add a lovely flavor and elevates the taste of this dish. Of boiling water into this mixture, and we're going to ensure that the water is covering the entire mixture evenly. So always remember the proportion of the water to the semolina is always 2:1. Don't take excess water because then it becomes very gooey and very soft and doesn't have that lovely fluffy texture. Now, immediately once you have added the water, don't do anything but just cover the pot and let it cook on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Again, open the cover, stir in between, again cover it and let it cook for some time. Then we're going to add some freshly chopped coriander. Mix everything well together, turn off the flame and cover the pan and keep it covered for another 3 minutes. Ready, so all you have to do is add some lemon juice or some lime juice as per your taste. I've gone for the juice of half a lemon. Today's recipe. I hope you give it a try. Do let me know in the comments section below as to how you love this breakfast upma. So you can make it for breakfast, you can even give it to your family members for their tiffin, you can have it as an evening snack. It's just so simple and so delicious, and it's very light on the palate too. So if you like today's video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up by hitting the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button that you see below, and once you have subscribed it will show you a bell. Click on that bell so every time I put up a new video you get a message for the same. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. Stay healthy, stay fit, be kind to one another, and I'll see you soon. This is Akshita saying bye and take care. See ya.